Hello friends, welcome to Doctor's Talk. Today I have brought across a special series on Doctor's Talk. We have with us today Dr. R.K. Mishra.
Hello.
Today we are going to speak about the subject of hernia. Hernia is a very painful condition and plenty of people all around the world suffer through this condition. But by the time they are diagnosed, they do not understand how this condition can be stopped from reoccurring again. Today we have with us Dr. R.K. Mishra, a laparoscopic surgeon, and he's going to tell us how it is possible for the reversal of hernia through laparoscopic surgery. Dr. Mishra, first of all, I would like to know what exactly is hernia?
Hernia is a defect in the abdominal wall through which intra-abdominal organ wants to come out and wants to protrude. So, hernia is basically in our abdomen there are different layers which keep all our viscera inside in an exact position. But sometime due to the previous incision or due to the natural defect in the abdominal wall or due to trauma or due to the excessive pulling of the and stretching of the muscle, this gives up and it becomes a defect. So, now layers of the abdominal wall are weak, and due to that slowly the intestine, omentum, they start making their own space and they start protruding out of the abdominal cavity and they give a outpoaching of the space. So, that is called hernia.
So, hernia can happen to women and men? Both?
Of course, hernia can happen to anyone. Hernia can happen to man and it can happen to woman, even it can happen to newborn, that is called congenital hernia. So, in those situations from the birth they have hernia, and in those situations even elderly people or school going boy or girl, anyone can have hernia. Other type of hernia is called as incisional hernia. That is possible when the patient has previous surgery, and in the previous open surgery they give a lot of big cut and multiple stitches.
So, like a cesarean?
Like a cesarean or any laparotomy.
Okay.
So, in those situations those stitches eventually due to lifting heavy weight or doing some strenuous work, it breaks, and after that it start giving up the intra-abdominal organ to come out. So, that is called as incisional hernia.
When you are talking about lifting up heavy weights, is it possible to get hernia because of excessive weightlifting in the gym?
If you will do it controlled manner after propping warm up and even gradually you increase your weight, then it is okay because your muscle may be habituated. But if you want that very strenuous vigorous exercise without any prior practice and you have not done even before, and if someone is doing it, of course hernia can happen.
Now tell us, doctor, how is it possible to reverse the situation by laparoscopic surgery? What is the cost to this and how long does it take?
What we do in laparoscopic surgery, we have to use a mesh. Mesh is a kind of membrane and it is coming in different type like Prolene mesh, Proceed mesh, omega 3 fatty acid treated mesh, composite mesh. These are different kinds of mesh which is imported actually. And in India also now some few companies are making the mesh. So, just like when we make our building, we have a roof and inside the roof there are concrete and in between the concrete there is a meshwork of metal. Right. Same way we have the mesh, and mesh has the one layer made up of Prolene that is non-absorbable and another layer are absorbable. So, what we do, we give a small hole in the palmar's point, that is the subcostal region, and then we introduce this mesh and we fix it from inside, and after that defect will be closed. In some condition we have to suture it also the defect, and after suturing we put the mesh, and slowly that mesh become a part of abdominal wall and it will strengthen the abdominal wall. Just like when you burn your cloth and then you can put another piece of cloth.
Like a
patchwork, yes, okay. Exactly, and that way that patch from inside is better than outside, because if it is inside with increasing pressure it will fix more firmly, right. And then recurrence chances are less. Right. In open surgery we have to put it from outside, right. So recurrences are more. So, that is why for most of the hernias laparoscopy is better.
And what is the downtime to the surgery? As in, how fast does the patient recover? Does it require a long period of time?
No, no, not at all, not at all. In most of the time, it is a day care surgery, and we can discharge the patient same day, or in some cases next day.
And they can go about their daily activities immediately?
Daily normal activity they can return maybe after 1 week.
Okay.
But they should avoid strenuous exercises, cycling, jogging, and other heavy physical activity.
So, like picking up weights.
Yeah, picking up weight. Those things should be avoided for a couple of months.
Since it is to do with the intestine, is there any limitation on food or what they are supposed to eat during this particular time?
No, in first week they should avoid excessive food, because their empty stomach is better, because there will be no pressure over the mess. And they should try to take liquid diet probably, or semi-solid, but after 1 week they can eat whatever they want. There is no any restriction on that.
Great. Thank you so much, Dr. Mishra,
Thank you.
for enlightening us about what really hernia is all about. And if you've got any questions, anything that you would like to know about hernia, do call us on the number that is there in the screen below. And you can email us too, or you can write on the comment box in our YouTube channel. So see you next time.